Trying to find ways to cut down on cooling costs during the summer can be a real challenge. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share an idea or two to tastefully lower the energy bill right after this.
Summer means cool drinks from your fridge, beach towels from your dryer, and ice cream sandwiches in the freezer. The Home Depot can help you make those memories with special buys on the latest appliances. Get an LG French door refrigerator for just $1,998, plus up to an additional $600 in instant savings. And you can get your new appliances delivered free. So start summer here. The Home Depot. How doers get more done. Free delivery on purchases of $396 or more. Continental U.S. only.
When the temperatures are soaring outside, the last thing you need to do is to add even more fire to the furnace. Try this. Eliminate the hot stove this season. While you may not be able to do this every night, even 2 or 3 nights a week will make a big difference. Instead of using the stove or oven, plan meals that don't require cooking. Salads and sandwiches are a great idea. For simple heating, use the microwave. Summer's also a great time to plan a backyard barbecue, even if the only guest are you and your immediate family. By removing the heat generated by cooking indoors, you will lower the need for the air conditioner to compensate for the rise in temperature. Less air conditioner means lower cooling bills, and that's something you can really sink your teeth into. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.